Good day guys. Today ang ating project for this Toyota Innova 2026 XE is to upgrade yung ating mga sun visors. So ang Innova 2026 na XE still doesn't have vanity mirrors included. So ayan. Ganyan siya. It's hard plastic. Now, if you want to order directly kay Casa, I did check, no? It will take you a few months. Siguro mga 3-4 months to get one. Pero, online, we have a few options. And this one, tela siya, which already has this mirror. So, mas mas madaling madumihan kasi nga hindi na siya hard plastic pero soft to the touch naman, unlike this one. So, same material siya nung ginamit dito sa headliner. There. So, samahan niyo ako. To get started, ito meron siyang dalawang screw. So, isa yan. Tapos, isa dito sa likod. And I think that's all that is holding this one. So, normally, no? Ayan, medyo matigas pa. Normally, may cover ito. So, I'm not sure why Toyota decided to remove the cover. Pero, nevertheless, mas madali siyang tanggalin ngayon, no? So, ingatan na lang natin kasi baka madumihan yung taas. Stock-wise, meron talaga siyang konting gap. So, let's see kung papantay siya pagka pinalitan na natin. Same with this one. Ganun din, no? Here's some light. There. Wala rin siyang cover. So, ang gagawin natin, kuha lang tayo ng malinis na tools, which is this one. Tapos, tatanggalin lang natin to. Ayan. So, medyo mahirap gawin ng nakaisang kamay. So, I'll just put this sa tripod. So, ayan, natanggal na natin yung isang screw. Susunod ay ito, yung nasa likod. So, dahan-dahan lang. Ngayon, huwag nyong pepwersahin. As to all DIYs na gagawin nyo, pag ayaw lumabas, huwag pipilitin. Okay? If you'll notice, napaka-smooth. Tanggal ka agad. Ngayon, observe natin. Ito, magkaiba. Not entirely, pero if we compare, may bakal, may washer. So baka kailangan natin tanggalin to. Though I am not entirely sure kung para saan yung bakal. Probably hindi ko muna tatanggalin. Kasi iba yung hugis niya. this one is probably for yes, naka-fold siya. Mali. Medyo mahirap lang buksan, ano? Tsaga na. Okay. So this one, if we try it out, and then attach them. Mali. Okay. So dapat yung isa. It's always good, no, to check even though feeling na tama na siya, no? Minsan kasi yung orientation, since these are also coming from Thailand, kailangan mo lang i-validate. Ito, itaksan natin kasi I think madudumihan ng kamay ko. Ganun din siya. Walang bakal. Itong sa rig na Toyota, may bakal. Siguro let's keep this for now till the time na ma-figure out natin kung para saan yung bakal na yun. Pero from what I'm seeing, wala namang pakinabang yung bakal. Okay. So ito, bubutasan ko rin bago ko punitin mamaya. So yung iba ayaw tinatanggal ng plastic. Ito siguro most likely, since this is an aftermarket part, I won't even call it as something na ano, no, na original, kasi I bought this online. At even sa Toyota, kailangan ng konting alignment before we push. So again, I'll start dun sa nasa likod. Para lang mas madaling mag-adjust. Pero I'll put this here and then try to line the rear one up. With regards dun sa pressure, no, hindi nyo kailangan gamitan ng puwersa. Baka kasi mamaya imbis na gumanda yung alignment or gumanda yung lapat, lumubog, lalong masisira yung gamit mo. Mahigpit na, okay na. So there, item 1 installed, no? Sarado natin. Perfect. Okay, let's do the second one, yung nasa kabila, nasa passenger side. Now this will be more of a challenge kasi nga medyo masikip yung garahe and I can't move dun sa kabilang side. Ayoko namang ilabas dahil kasagsagan ng bagyo ngayon. That's why we have time to actually focus dito sa project. Now, from the last few months na ginagamit natin tong Innova, meron na tayong mga ilang upgrades na ginawa. I'll show that doon sa succeeding projects. But right now, since itong isang to has been a highly requested item from a few of the passengers, especially the wife. Actually hindi naman niya hinahanap, pero I think It's one of those na nakasanayan niya dun sa Montero. So there. We're putting it here. Now this is cloth, no? Habang tumatagal siguro, let's do another review probably after 6 months or a year. Just to see kung gaano kadumi yung kakalabasan nito since madalas siyang hinahawakan unlike yung headliners natin. There. On to the passenger side. Ngayon, sabi ko nga medyo magiging challenge. Sundot na lang natin sa malayo. Hopefully, hindi malaglag. There we go. Now, in terms of DIY complexity, isa to sa mga pinakamadaling pwede nyong gawin. Ang mahirap na lang ay hanapin yung mismong pyesa. Took me a month bago makahanap ng eksaktong design na gusto ko. Marami kasi online na kakaiba yung structure. I think for other countries kasi meron siyang built-in light. Pero yung nandito sa atin, especially since for this one, it's a base model for the automatic, wala. Okay, again. There you go. Yan. This one, meron din bakal, no? So interesting. Probably pag ginanahan tayo, let's do some modifications. Lagyan natin ng ilaw dito. Pero for now, let's keep it stock. Since nasa warranty pa yung ating unit. Okay, so I don't think nagkakamali pa tayo dito, no? Kasi nga left and right lang naman siya. For this one, let's try sa taas muna dahil alanganin. Actually, mukhang gagana rin naman siya, no, pag inuna mo yung sa taas. Or probably kasi na-align ko na to kanina. There. Then the last one. Ito yung sinasabi ko, hindi siya aligned. I need to double check, no, na naka-align siya dun sa tamang butas. Okay. There you go. Okay. So like the other one. There. Salamin. I'll just clean my hands and then let's do a quick review kung ano yung texture at kung gaano kalinaw yung salamin. So, ayan. Since pointless na may plastic to. Kasi paano mo nga naman gagamitin yung salamin kung may plastic to, di ba? Kailangan na lang nating tanggapin. Natatanggalin na to. I think for some, no, isa to sa mga bagay na cringe. Kasi nga, for kabago-bago, tinatanggal mo lahat ng plastic. For me, I think that's fine. No? To each his own. Kung ayaw mo tanggalin, then wag mong tanggalin. Again, this will be a dust magnet. Pati dumi magnet. No? Functionality wise, okay. Gumagana. Malinaw. May salamin na. There. Looks nice. Pantay yung kulay niya talaga dito sa headliner. So, ganun din dito sa kabila. Tanggalin na rin natin. So, bakit hindi ko siya tinanggal, no? Kanina, to check. Kasi ayokong humawak ng screwdriver at humawak ng old parts na tinanggal tapos hahawakan mo yung mga ganitong tela. Probably if makahanap ako nung yung similar na parang plastic din yung ganito, I'll consider replacing this para lang mas madaling linisin. Ito kasi pag babara-bara ka or madumi talaga yung kamay mo tapos bigla mong hinawakan ng ganyan, no? So, naman siya malinaw. Basta-basta mo hinawakan, yun lang. Now, ang annoying lang, hindi ko alam kung kaya kong tanggalin to. Kasi baka mamaya pag tinanggal ko, magkaroon ng residue. Masagwa naman, no? Although, yung old one, wala nito. So, as we go, I'm not sure if it's a good idea to leave it here nang hindi tinatanggal. Kasi probably pag na-expose na sa araw yung sasakyan mo, tutunaw na yung glue na ginamit dito. So sticker wise, baka sumagwa. Pero again, ang worry ko nga, baka pag tinanggal ko siya ngayon, which I'm trying to stop myself from doing, pero I'm still doing it, no? Baka sumagwa naman ng todo. Anyways, hindi naman masyadong nakakaabala, I think. Pag-isipan natin overnight kung tatanggalin ba natin or not. But yes, this one, meron na to. So I don't think maglalagay ka naman ng child seat sa driver side. No? Nevertheless, thank you so much for joining me in this project. Talk to you soon. And then please like and subscribe if you like the content that I am creating. Now, if may mga gusto pa kayong gawin dun sa sasakyan that you want me to cover and it aligns to the things that I want to do dito sa sasakyan na to, probably we can try to do it, no, in video. Again, thank you so much. Have a great day.